Oh yeah, right, and welcome back on this channel. So today we are back with another video, and in today's video I'm gonna show you on how to set up this VPN app. It's known as Z IVPN. So the app is already on Google Play Store. So this app is able to secure your connection at the expiry of security when you are online. So today's video I'm gonna show you the Slow DNS settings. So these settings, we hope this app to work, to function, as the app secures your connection and enhances on your online activities when you are using the internet. So this app is already on Google Play Store. Head over to your Google Play Store where you can search and install Android apps. So from Google Play Store, in the search bar, you search for ZIVPN Tunnel. Among the presented, you pick this one, then you open it. So when you open it, to set it up, you require a SSH or a Slow DNS account. You require a Slow DNS account. So you head over to Chrome or any other browser, and from here you visit VPN Tunnel. So this website will help us to generate the Slow DNS account, which will be used to set up the NPV, which will be used to set up the ZIVPN app. So you will visit the site. So from here you are required to tap on the menu button. From the menu you pick free VPN option. So from here you pick free SSH tunnel, and then you scroll down, and from here you'll be required to pick a server. From any of the presented locations you pick a server. So let's pick this one, any of the presented. Here you'll be required to click on create username SSH tunnel, and you'll be required to enter password, username, and also verify human verification. So you do that very fast. So after doing that, after entering username and password, click on create username SSH tunnel. So you wait for the website to load. So as you can see that your SSH account has been successfully created. So you scroll down, then from here you'll be able to see your account details. So you'll be able to transfer these account details to the ZIVPN so that the app works. So please make sure to follow this guide from the start to the end, and also before using any VPN and any website, make sure to read its terms and conditions so that you don't violate them. And also before using any VPN app, make sure to read its terms and conditions so that you don't violate them, and also use VPNs responsibly following your local laws. So after creating the account, you can see the account details. So you copy all the account details and you transfer them to the ZIVPN app. So you transfer one by one, as we're gonna see in this video. Just like that, then you copy. So you go back, you open any of the nodes app, or you save them somewhere. So after saving them somewhere, you'll be able to transfer them. You will be able to transfer them to the ZIVPN. So you copy and transfer the account details in any of the available nodes app. So you open the Z IVPN app. Remember this app, in case you set it accurately, the app will be able to secure your connection, add extra protection, and also enhance on your online activities when you are online. So this is the setup. First of all, you need to transfer the account details in their respective fields as shown on the screen, and following the correct order of the Z IVPN in order to be accurate, so that the app can work and establish a secure, a stable connection when you are browsing online. So from here you need to bring in the user name. So you open or you go back to your account details, then you copy the username. So you copy where you see user name SSH, you copy the username, then you go back. So from here you paste the username, and then you bring the password following this format as you can see. So make sure to be accurate. So let's do that very fast. So you also put these dots as you can see them, then you bring in the password. And you paste it right here. Then you put that sign, the each sign, that one, I don't know, you can call it. Then you bring in the IP address. So the IP address, it is the server SSH host. You copy it, make sure to be accurate. So you also put it there. Then you bring in the port. So you first put in this semicolon, just like that. Then you put the port. So it's already here. You can see that SSH port. So you copy the port, and then you go back. So you put here the port, and after doing that, you are required to shake this box, which is the Slow DNS box, just like that. And after checking the Slow DNS box, you tap right here the freelance, the menu button. And as you are still watching up to this minute, please you take this time to subscribe on this channel. So when you reach here, you pick the Slow DNS setting option. Then you can see that they will display the domain name system. So this will be automatically generated by your device, and if it doesn't do that, you can use this Google DNS, which is that one. But your device may generate a DNS on its own, so you simply use the DNS which is generated, or you can use the Google DNS. And after that, you enter the name server. So the name server is right down here, so you copy it. So it is down here as you can see right here. So you copy, then you go back and you paste it right here in the name server field. So make sure to be accurate so that this app can work. Remember, if you set the app very well, it will help you to add extra protection, add extra layer of security when you are online. And lastly, the other thing is enter here the public key. So you go back and copy the public key right here. As you can see, like here, public key, Slow DNS, you copy it. Then you paste it right here, just like that. And after doing that, you click on apply. And when you click apply, if you are accurate, the app will be able to work as it secures your connection. So that's how we set up this app with the Slow DNS settings to achieve a fast, a secure, and also to enhance on our online activities when you are online. So after doing that, you're required to insert a connection by tapping on this start button. So after putting all the presented settings in place, you will be able to establish a connection by tapping on this start button. And when you tap on it, the app will be connected and your connection will be secured.